Tesla doors feature electric latches for enhanced security and child safety. To unlock a passenger door from the inside, simply press the unlock button located on the door panel. It's a small icon. Alternatively, use the vehicle's touchscreen by navigating to Controls, Locks, Unlock Doors. On Model S and X vehicles since 2024, a quick double tap on the door handle will also trigger the unlock function. Remember that Tesla's features may vary based on the model year and software version, so always check your vehicle's manual or the Tesla app for specific instructions. Tesla vehicles include several important safety features and emergency procedures to ensure secure and reliable access to your car. One key safety feature is the child lock, which prevents rear doors from being opened from the inside. This protects children from accidentally opening doors while the vehicle is moving. In case of electrical failure, Tesla provides a manual release lever located near the door latch. This mechanical override allows you to unlock and open doors even when the electronic systems aren't working. The walk-away auto lock feature automatically locks doors when your key fob or phone moves out of Bluetooth range, typically 5 to 10 meters. Be especially mindful of this when children are in the vehicle to avoid accidental lockouts. For emergency situations, you can remotely unlock doors using the Tesla mobile app. Simply access the Controls section and select Unlock Doors. Alternatively, use the manual release lever as a backup. Tesla issued a 2025 recall affecting 2023, 2025 Model 3 and Model Y vehicles due to potential unlocking failures from faulty wiring. If your vehicle is affected, contact a Tesla service center for free repairs. Always familiarize yourself with these features and keep the Tesla app updated. For the rear emergency door opener in models like the Model Y, refer to the door panel instructions as shown here.